What's up everyone, it's Theo here from Market Minds Academy, and today get ready because the markets are hot. Based on our screen there, what everything is doing today, they are just pushing higher. You see everywhere is green. Ethereum, it's outstanding today, almost $100 above since yesterday, and I'm very happy with that, with Ethereum and Solana, because I still hold some good positions here that I bought it I think 3 days ago when I said it on a YouTube video. Just check it out. I'm sorry, I'm not sure exactly which day, but nevertheless, pretty much all of them, they are on a positive gear. If we check the relative performance, the XRP or Ripple is at 8.5% up. Guys, imagine before we used to trade and invest only in shares in the stock market, and to see gains 8% on a single day, I mean, that was pretty much unreal, if I'm allowed to say that word. But with the cryptocurrencies, we see 10, 20, 30, 50% on a day, 70% some occasions. But yeah, everything is great. For those they invest something yesterday, you can enjoy. You see, second by second, the order changes. But again, the leader for today is the Ripple with the NEAR at 6.4%, Ethereum third one, and Solana the fifth one. First on the list now, it's the Ethereum and the daily chart. Do you guys see that the market was trading within this consolidation, as we commented on yesterday's video? Today we see the break above the inside candlesticks. Now let's make this very clear. Okay, guys, the market was trading with lower highs and lower lows at this case on Sunday, specifically on Sunday, March the 10th. Then this bearish candle serve as what we call the mother candle, because after that we only see a false breakout and a close above within the body of this candle. And since then, let's zoom in a little bit, since then every and each candle is trading within the boundaries of this one, of this bearish candle. Therefore, the market respects the high at 2,100, let's say 40, and the low at 1,820 of this bearish candle. Okay, give it or take the numbers. Now, what the market did afterwards, it false break the low of the bearish candle and it remained within the boundaries here. Now, we are seeing a bit of a push to the upside. The price broke above the inside resistance created by these inside candles, and we're gonna have two occasions. Only two things can happen from now on. Either we will see the price pushing all the way higher, penetrating the high of 2,140 and keep moving upward, testing this resistance at $2,500, or after the price will reach a little bit higher around the 2,100, let's say, we might gonna see a bearish reversal price action pattern that excuse me, it's gonna be as well a bearish engulfing to that candle. So keep that in mind, and we will check it in real time. If you have any questions, or if you have a different view about the Ethereum, I would love to hear you guys. So let me know in the comments below. What's going on with the Bitcoin? The market still trades within the boundaries. of this 84, let's say 85,000, and the low at about 82,000. So this $3,000 mark is where the price consolidates now. Let's see if the market will break above the 85 and also close above the downward trend line. We might gonna talk more about bullish performance, or if we're gonna see a bearish engulfing the day after, taking away this bullish candle that forms now, we're gonna see the price definitely moving lower. Now, the fifth on the performance today is the Solana, another special cryptocurrency for Market Mastery traders and investors. In our academy, as I always say, we have a little bit of more tendency towards Solana and Ethereum, but that's okay. Whatever makes us profit, we're gonna trade it. But for long-term investing, yeah, we are a little bit heavy on Solana and Ethereum. Now, the Solana yesterday, how the price ended up as a bearish candle, but with the lower shadow, rejecting the lower prices here, and the support of $123, $122, and the market made a higher high. So after the market makes a higher high, it's expected to move upwards. But again, the price is in an overall downtrend, and we must accept that. Okay, if we start building some positions, perhaps on the hourly time frame or on the 4-hour chart, we must understand that we are trading against the higher time frame trend. But of course, when the higher time frame trend will change, it's going to be because of the lower time frame change at first place. Okay, what's your thought about Solana? Let me know in the comments below. Also, guys, please let me know which cryptocurrency you want to see on the analysis tomorrow, and I will definitely deliver. ADA against the US dollar, it's around 3.5%. Also, yesterday the price kind of falls, break the 0.70 cents, and now is trying to push a bit higher, but we are back at support. The market reversed more than 90% of the original move, so this long bullish Morobozu candle should have been followed through if it was a strong price there, but the market wasn't that promising, to be honest. XRP, the support, the demand area we marked on previous videos, guys, it played out so nicely, and the market is making a new high here, leaving back a lot of questions if the price now it's going to keep moving upwards in a straight line and to come all the way to $3. That will be ideal. But if we check the weekly chart for this occasion, we can see that the price already made a higher high on the weekly chart, and that will be the, let's say, beginning of some promising bullishness over there. So we see what's going to happen. The SUI, another coin that I'm keeping an eye on, and I watch it very closely. It's because I still want to see it coming somewhere around 120, 130. That's where I'm willing to also buy. I started buying and accumulating positions at this point because let's face it, it's one of the promising coins out there now. It's not something, if you ask me how do I allocate my capital, definitely on Solana, Ethereum and Bitcoin, I'm going heavily on these three. But when it comes down to SUI or to GMT, GST, DOT, other coins there, I'm a bit less risky, and I risk much less compared to what I risk on the on the top 3 on the list. So with this one here, daily chart, what we see is that one bearish, one bullish, one bearish, one bullish, one bearish, one bullish. So let's see where this is gonna take us. For now, the market forms this kind of bearish flag. Like, yeah, maybe. You see, sometimes it's a bit difficult to establish the pattern, but again, it doesn't mean the pattern is not there, or it doesn't mean that the pattern is not strong enough. So let's see if the price will break above this upper line or if it's gonna push further down. Guys, don't forget that I'm a certified financial market analyst, and I'm not a YouTuber. Okay, I don't use trading as the YouTube as something to become a YouTuber. I'm just doing analysis for professional traders, for hedge funds, for prop firms. I know many of you might trading with prop accounts, for brokers. So whatever I put out there as content and also as what I see it's happening in the market, as forecast, it's purely based on how do the market moves, how and what actual information we get from the charts. Okay, and I'm sure you're gonna get a lot of value out of these videos. So please ensure you like, you subscribe, you stay tuned, enable your notification buttons, and let me know which cryptocurrency you want to see tomorrow, and also what's your thoughts. Where do you think it's going? Where do you think XRP, is it gonna reach the $3 or not? Is it gonna find some kind of resistance around 2.6 and it's gonna reverse? What do you believe about Ethereum, Solana, and Bitcoin? Guys, thank you so much for your watching. I really appreciate your time, and I will see you in the next video.